fast but much. Learning coding is very interesting and made easier with DMCJ ACADEMY.
Hello, I'm Nishalini and I'm in 6th grade. I like coding because you can create anything you want on your webpage and there is no limit. It's easy to understand once you get the hang of it, and in the near future I'd like to become a professional tennis player.
Hi, I'm Lalicharan. I like coding because we can do animations and games. I really like that.
I like coding because with coding you can design websites and also design games which are very cool. And with coding you can become famous on the internet and in my future with coding I can probably make a company and be an entrepreneur, and that's why I love coding.
My name is Sarvesh and I'm 9 years old. I like coding because I can make my own websites and games, and it's really cool, and I want people to not get bored and they can play my own games. I want to become a computer teacher or a STEM teacher at a school.
Hi everyone, I am J. Sudarshan from DMCJ Academy. I like coding because I like to become a cybercrime officer. It helps me to do that.
Sir is teaching it in an easier way and also making our path smoother towards the future digital world. Thank you, sir, for your patient and empathetic teaching. Thank you.
What I liked about DMCG Academy is that the homework provided is very dynamic and enlightening. It helps me recollect what I did in the previous class, and it's done in a very organized way. Thank you.
I like DMCJ Academy because of our Sir Prasanna. He teaches very well and handles students patiently. Thank you.
I like DMCJ Academy because it provides me lots of information, and DMCJ coding is really good. And people can share me information because of the presentations they make.
Happy to be a student of DMCJ Academy. My master is so polite and kind. He clears me all the doubts. Happy coding!